Hello, everyone. We're going to talk briefly in this segment about three small jars, and they relate in a couple of ways. First of all, as personal preference, I love orange in historic Pueblo pottery, and there's variations of orange in each of these wonderful pieces. Secondly, small jars, small historic jars that are particular of excellence are wonderful to collect. They're easier to display. You're not trying to find room for large storage jars. They're far less expensive for really wonderful examples. And I love the forms that allow historic Pueblo pottery, especially very good examples, to be accessible to more people. So they're just very nice in that way. Visually, orange just can grab you. It certainly grabs me. This is a very wonderful. We talked about this in a previous segment, but it's checkerboard design with flower elements from Acoma or Laguna Pueblo. You pick this piece up, and immediately you're drawn to just how thin and beautifully potted it is. The orange is just so deep and wonderful. It's an old jar dating to the 19th century, I believe. There's a little bit of slip loss that happens as pottery is held or used over time. You can see the orange sort of disappears here. That's part of the natural firing process, not something to be shunned, but more something to be embraced, indicative of the natural outdoor firing process. I'm going to skip to this one. This is from Zia Pueblo. You can feel it immediately. The weight of these two are very close to the same. At Zia Pueblo, the volcanic basalt that makes up the tempering material, which makes the pots thicker, heavier, actually stand up to more use, is evident in this small, lovely piece. Very simple designs, or negative designs in a way where the tan slip leaks through the square elements, and then more circular, similar negative elements in the black fields. Lovely fire clouds, and the orange is rich and consistent throughout. This is a beautiful example of what I feel very well could be an 1890s small jar. There's signs that there may have been ethnographic use. There's signs of water use on the inside. This lovely small jar from the collection of Robert Nichols in Santa Fe. This jar is also lovely. It's had a lot of handling. There's a lot of patina. You can see how dark it is, but the orange-red middle is striking. This is an orange on tan type that I believe actually, it may look older. I think it dates to the 1920s when orange on tan became a very popular color motif at Zia Pueblo. So just three lovely small orange jars from the Pueblos of New Mexico.